Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you what is the actual structure of our table salt, which is also known as rock salt. That is the structure of NaCl, the crystal structure of NaCl. Now in case of rock salt structure or NaCl structure, one type of ions forms the FCC lattice, and in the FCC lattice the octahedral holes are fulfilled by the other types of ion. Suppose these violet colored ions are the chloride ions. These violet colored ions are the chloride ions which are form the FCC lattice, and in this FCC lattice these red colored ion which are the Na plus ion, they are reside in the octahedral hole of this FCC lattice. These violet colored ions, that is let assume these violet colored atoms from the FCC lattice, and in that FCC lattice all the octahedral holes are fulfilled by the another types of ion here, that is Na plus ion. Now what are their position? That is these violet colored atom, that is the chloride atoms, they are all in the corner, 8 chloride atom in the corner position, that corner of a cube, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and here 8. These 8 atoms are in the corner position, and in the 6 face center position there are 6 chloride atom, that is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These 6 chloride atom in the face center position. So the position of chloride atoms, chloride ions are in the corner position and in the face centered position, and the position of that ion, that is the position of the sodium plus ion, is that they are 12 ions are in the edge centered position. 12 ions are in the edge centered position, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 12. 12 atoms in the edge centered position and 1 atom in the body centered position. These are the position of ions in case of rock salt or NaCl structure. That is one types of atom forming the FCC lattice, and in that FCC lattice there are another types of atoms in their void space. Now for calculation of what is the number of atom, or what is the contribution of atom of chloride and Na plus in a unit cell of rock salt structure. Now I told that what are the positions of Na plus and Cl minus. Now the number of Na plus is 12 Na plus in the edge centered position, and one edge is shared by 4 other unit cell. I told you and I showed you in my one of my previous videos that one edge, one corner, one face is shared by how many unit cells. Now one edge is shared by 4 other unit cell. So there are 12 number of atoms in the edge centered position, and they are shared by other 4 unit cells. So from the edge center the contribution is 12 into 1 by 4, and 1 is in the body center position, their contribution is 1, that is 12 into 1 by 4 plus 1, that is equal to 4. So number of Na plus ion in an unit cell is 4. Now number of what is the number of chloride atom in the unit cell? It's from FCC lattice. So the number of chloride atom in that unit cell is that one corner is shared by another 8 unit cell. So 8 into 1 by 8, and one face is shared by another one unit cell. So there are 6 atoms in the face centered position. So 6 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 4. So number of Na plus ion per unit cell is 4, and number of Cl minus ion per unit cell is also 4. So the actual formula or actual structural formula should be Na4Cl4, not NaCl. This should be Na4Cl4, but the ratio 4:4 is equal to 1:1. That's why we wrote. That's why we write NaCl, but actual is Na4Cl4. Now next is what is the coordination number of the chloride atom and the Na plus atom. I told you that Na plus atom are in the octahedral void position of the FCC lattice formed by the Cl minus ion. So as they are in octahedral position, so they are coordination number should be 6. Now see how it is 6. Now consider this Na plus ion, this body centered Na plus ion. So here the nearest neighbor of this Na plus ion is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This Na plus ion is in the octahedral void which is formed by the Cl minus ion. So the coordination number of Na plus ion in a rock salt structure is 6. Now what is the coordination number of a Cl minus ion? Then just see that this is a Cl minus ion. Then for the calculation of coordination number, we have to calculate the what is the number of nearest neighbor. Here the nearest neighbor is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, and there is another unit cell above it. From there is contribution 1, that is total number of atom in its nearest position is 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is also in the if we say that Na plus ions forms the FCC lattice, then Cl minus ion is placed in the octahedral void. We can say that. So the coordination number of the Cl minus ion is also 6 here. So here the formation of FCC lattice can be by the Na plus ion or the Cl minus ion. This is the beauty of this structure. So this is the complete structure analysis of the rock salt structure, that is what is our table salt. And that's all about this. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, please ask me on comment section, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel.